Get I need two students.
Okay.
Start the conversation.
Me, teacher.
Okay, one more. One more. Come on.
Me, teacher.
Okay, stop.
Conversation. Ratana and Sokmei trip to Uncle Wat. Hey, Sokmei. I just got back from my trip to Uncle Wat. It was amazing.
Wow.
Wow. That sounds so cool. How many days did you stay? I planned to stay for 9 days, but I had to leave early on only stayed 6 days. How many days shorter was my trip? Let me subtract. 9 minus 6 equals 3. You stay 3 days shorter than planned. That's right. Angkor Wat is very old. It was built in the 1100s. If we are in 2025, how old is it? 2025 minus 1100 equal 925. Angkor Wat is 925 years old. Correct. I climbed to the top of the temple. Each side has 37 steps, and there are 4 sides. How many steps did I climb? I can multiply. 31 multiply 4 equal 148. You climbed 148 steps. That must have been tiring. Yes, but the view was perfect. The entrance fee was $37 per person. My dad and I bought 2 tickets. How much did we pay in total? $31 multiplied 2 equal $24. You paid $24 for both tickets. Right. We hired a tuk-tuk to travel around. The driver charged $5 per hour. We used it for 8 hours in one day. How much did we pay? $5 multiply 8 equal
Bye.
40.
Get a goodbye. Multiply by
5 multiply 8 equal $40. You paid $40 for the tuk-tuk ride. Yes, I also bought souvenirs. I bought 6 keychains for $2 each. and 3 t-shirts for $7 each. How much did I spend?
Let me add it up. 6 multiplied 2
By.
is teacher.
Multiply by. Why you forget by?
6 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 7 equal $12 plus $21 equal $33. You spend 33.
That's right. I also visit Thai Prom, where the movie Tomb Raider was filmed. It took us 4 hours to explore. If we started at 9:30 a.m., what time did we finish?
9:30 a.m. 4 hours equal 1:30 p.m. You finish at 1:30 p.m.
Correct. When we watched the sunset at Phnom Bangkok, where there were 210 tourists already there. Later, 90 more arrived. How many were there in total?
210 plus 90 equal 300. There were 300 tourists in total.
Yes, before leaving, I exchanged $120 in Cambodia riel. If $1 equals 4,000 riel, how much did I get?
$120 multiplied by 4,000 equal 40 hai cái lấy nó cái answer for 48k man teacher ก็1,000
ผิดเลยนะ ยังอ่านថា480,000 480,000 យើងរាប់ខ្មែរយើងថា480,000 អញ្ចឹងអង់គ្លេសគេអានចឹង480,000
teacher 480,000 you got 480,000 real.
Exactly. Would you like to visit Angkor Wat someday?
Of course, but I need to save money first. If I save $20 per week, how many weeks will it take to save $400?
That's a division problem. $400 minus $20 equals 20. It will take 20 weeks to save $400.
That's not too long. I hope I can go soon. Teacher.
I'm sure you will. Angkor Wat is an amazing place.
អូខេចាំពូខ្ញុំមានឲ្យនឹងយើងសម្រាប់ទៅនោះចា៎ you
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher.